Thank you, Representative Exum. Thank you for your courage to relive the pain and make it into a purpose. And I said this to you before that Earl passing is a pain for everyone, but he's saving lives. And then today is another evidence that he's saving lives, even though he's physically not here. He's very much part of the effort. When we passed Senate Bill 1 in 2024, you testified, and it was very powerful testimony. And at that time I said, this bill is Earl Bill. Senate Bill 1 is Earl Bill because it is in his honor and it is going to help save lives. So in the state of Connecticut, thanks to all the legislators around us right now and in this body, no insurance company that's answerable to the state of Connecticut can deny a calcium test. And if they do, we will make sure they're well educated. Because when we started this conversation and to now, about 75 Americans have already died because somebody's dying from heart disease every 34 seconds. And to Dr. Schuster's point, this is something that is preventable, and prevention is very clear. Because it's such a common cause of death, there's so much data. It's very clear what needs to be done. And also the early identification. And now that's the part where we have an opportunity in the early identification, because the stress test alone and then some of the other tests may not be able to get us to the point. But if you have a very basic test and look at the calcium deposits in your coronary arteries, you have a good idea that this person may need further interventions. And the treatments are phenomenal. There's so much opportunity. I think my co-chair has done an amazing job. She actually should be a doctor because she does far more for healthcare than anybody else I know around here. So, and this is just a blessing. I just want people to know who are listening that the legislators in this building, we are as human as you are. We suffer the same pains and losses as anyone else in the community. And when you're grieving, we are grieving with you. And today is another example of, as we grieve, we are going to try and make sure that we are going to be there to protect everyone in our state and write policies together to protect everyone. So please get your calcium score done. If you have not done this, if you're a high-risk individual or the right individual for that, and if your insurance gives you a hard time, call Tammy Exum.